All right, here we come to the elevators at the Venla parking garage nearby the George O. Brown Convention Center and the Hilton Americas in downtown Houston, Texas. There's like so many elevators, I can't even get the entire thing in the frame. There's so many of them. These are Schindler 500A elevators. I believe these were installed in I think 2003 or 2004, I can't remember. Anyways, this is going to be a better take on these elevators as well also. These are Schindler 500A traction elevators. Oh, they changed the flooring. Anyways, we're going to get a different elevator car with a much better view. Look how many elevator cars there are. That one over there on the far right is not working. We'll get that one to the right. Hopefully this one has a much better view. Yep, got a much better view on this one. 8. Conveyor 8. Whoa, it's so sunny outside. G. I'll go for one more ride and then we will end the video where I started. Door needs greasing. Oh, it canceled my call. There we go. The gyro doesn't even sound good. Conveyor 8. And we will now go back down to 2 and end there. Your fixtures. Conveyor 2. You can kind of see up the shaft up there. Oh yeah, you can see up the shaft. Yep, let's look it up to the elevator shaft. These are nice elevators, but could use some work. Alright, here it goes, and that's it.